68 days until GCSE Maths Paper 1. Pause the video, have a go at this question, and then we'll have a look at it together. Below is triangle ABC. Calculate the value of x to three significant figures. We can see we have lengths of 4.1 centimetres, 6.2 centimetres, and this angle is 115 degrees. If we wanted to use sine rule, we're looking for two pairs of opposite side and angle. We can see angle x is opposite side 6.2 centimetres and 4.1 centimetres is opposite this angle. However, we can't figure out what this angle is until we figured out angle x. So instead we'll look at angle B, and opposite angle B will be side B. If we can find this side, then we have our two pairs of side and angle. To find this side, we can use the cosine rule. Cosine rule involves all three sides and one angle. Since this is the side that we want to find, we'll label this as side A, which means the other two sides will be B and C. Opposite side A has to be angle A, opposite side B is angle B, and opposite side C is angle C. Sometimes we just have to relabel the angles and sides so it fits the formula better. In place of A, this is what we want to find. So we'll just leave it as a squared, and this is equal to. In place of b, we have 6.2, and this is squared. Plus, in place of c, we have 4.1, and this is squared. Minus 2 times b, which is 6.2, times c, which is 4.1, multiplied by cos of angle A, which is 115 degrees. Typing this all in, we get the value of a squared is equal to 76.7359. Square rooting this answer, we'll get a is equal to 8.7599. And we can add this to the diagram. Now that we have two pairs of opposite sides and angles, we can use sine rule, where sine of angle A over A will be sine of 115 over 8.7599. And this will be equal to sine B over B, which in this case will be sine of angle X over 6.2. To get sine of angle x on its own, since it's divided by 6.2, let's times both sides by 6.2. So sine of angle x will be equal to this expression multiplied by 6.2, which simplifies to give us a value of 0.64145. Then finally, to get x on its own, we'll need to do inverse sine of this value, which is 39.900. To three significant figures, this will just be 39.9 degrees. And this is our final answer.